Hello everyone, I am your art and craft teacher Rehana Merchant. Today we are going to learn how to make tissue cover. Let's start. This is the 14 by 18. 14 by 18 centimeter. It is a double material. And this is the also 14 by 18 double 2 piece, and this is the 14 by 14. It is also double. You iron it like this, 2 piece, and this is the base. See, now this is the measurement. First you have to set all piece on base like this. This is the base. On this base you have to overlapping inside part. See properly. See folded part inside. First you have to stitch all edges. This is like this. See this I done pin. See all four side I pin it. This is the base. All set. Now we'll stitch 1 inches width. See now how I am making strip. See how to make. You can do it. It's 8 centimeter long. It is a very big, so I am cutting it. Only 8 centimeter you take. You fold it and see properly. This folded part should be inside. Be careful, see properly. See, folded part should be inside. Trying to show you how to stitch. You can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is Rehana Merchant 7, and my students' work is on my ID Rehana Art Classes. If any question or query, please see my description. There is my Instagram ID is there. So please DM me. There you message me. I will give you reply and guide you. See, I made the edges, all 4 edges curved. Now you have to flip the inside part out. This is a very simple basic idea. This can be used in many ways, like you can create your pouch. It's very simple and easy to make. If you don't have stitching machine, then you can stitch it with needle and thread. You can even share your ideas with me. I am very happy to share my idea with you. Please, once again, like, share and subscribe. Like, share and subscribe means you touch the subscribe word and bell icon so you can see my new ideas. See, I added keychain, look fancy. I hope you like my art and craft work. Please share with your friends also so they come to know. And also they can learn. Thank you very much.